Here's another easy 15-minute one-pot recipe made with the Meyer Hybrid Hop. This recipe is great to feed a big group of people or just for yourself. It's also ideal for meal prep. Ding! Now you can choose to use stock or water. I'm using water here, which I fill in the same jar. This is to rinse out the balanced tomatoes in the bottle. And now I have a tomato stock. Clean bottle. Zero wastage. The boost function brings you to the highest speed and heats up your pan instantly. The Meyer Hybrid Hop is compatible to all flat-based pots and pans. One side being fully induction and the other side being all pot friendly. After simmering for about 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to add in the fish first because the fish takes slightly longer to cook, followed by the prawns and the shrimp. Lastly, I will add the broccoli. Now it is time to serve. This is so good. The flavors of the seafood goes into the stew and it pairs very well with the crusty bread. I'm using a focaccia today. This dish is ideal to serve with white rice or even with pasta. I do hope you give this recipe a try, and for more information on Meyer products, click on the description below. Enjoy! The best part about induction, after cooking, it's so easy to clean. Just spray a bit and give it a good wipe. Thank you, Meyer Hybrid Hop.